Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today we are going to talk about donut chart or ring chart, whatever you call it. So I have code from a few of our previous episodes. This first data frame is actually source for our pie chart, and this data frame is source for our circular bar plot with spaces in between groups. And with these two functions we are actually preparing starting and ending point for geomrect in order to create this pie chart. And basically what I want to show you in this episode is how to create hole in the middle. How to turn this pie chart and that circular bar plot into ring chart or donut chart, whatever you call it. So now let's start with our pie chart. So this is plot 1. Basically, all of this with geom rectangle is going to remain the same. We are going to keep all of data, everything is totally fine. But now, in order to create that hole in the middle, we actually have to provide one more function, and that is ylim. And because our y-axis starting with 0, we have to move that to minus scale, let's say to -10, and top it's going to be actual top value, and top value for this chart it's 35. Let's say 35 like this, plus, save it, run it. Oh, sorry, now I see. So actual our maximum on y-axis it's 5. So I'm going to say 6, from -10 to 6. Run it again. Oh, this is so much better. And now I'm going to remove this label on inner side. Let's say on y -2. Let's see how that is going to look. And yeah, this is totally cool. Now I'm going to show you a few more tricks. Let's say that you want to remove starting point with this ring. So we are starting at 0, but you could actually remove this starting point with start. And now, in order to provide value, you have to use pi, so 3,14. And if we use a pi of 3,14, we are going to remove for a half of circle. You see? Now we are starting in here. Because for you who are not in love with math, actual entire circle, 360 degrees, it's 2 pi values. So if we want to move our start for 90 degrees, so that is a quarter of our circle, we are going to provide pi value divided by 2. Run it. And you see now we are starting at 90 degrees. And now what if, for example, you would like to have some empty space in here? You could do that with function xlim for limitations on x-axis, and let's say we are going to start from -10, and we are going to sum of, let's see how I call it, y. So up to sum of y, plus at the end, save it, run it. Okay, probably have some typo in here. Ah yes, because we are outside of aesthetics function, so I have to provide data $y once again. And finally we got our empty space. And now we are going to show our second example. So we have our circular bar plot with empty spaces in between groups. And now I am going to provide our x means y lim function, and we are going to go from -5. Our maximum value is 35, I believe. Let's save it, run it. And yeah. And now let's make this whole little bit bigger. Let's say -20. Let's see what we are going to get. Okay, and now I'm going to create a label with values. Function aesthetics. X is going to be ID. Y is going to be on, let's say, -5, and label is going to be Y in order to show values. Save it, run it. And yes, this is exactly what we needed. So guys, thank you for watching. I truly hope that you have learned something interesting. So if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and see ya.